Hey there everyone! Welcome to Section 1 of our email marketing video training series, Email Marketing Basics. We are excited to let you know that we've just set up the most complete and up-to-date email marketing resource that you'll find in a condensed collection of high-definition, real-time training videos, and that we're getting started now. Furthermore, we are proud about giving you the easiest way to learn email marketing inside and out. And we are also grateful that you have made the decision of learning our way, which is the right way, yet easy way. From tackling the basic steps all the way to applying expert-level strategies, this video training is designed to give you an almost unfair advantage from start to finish. And in this first section of our training, the Email Marketing Basics section, you'll be able to learn what is email all about. What is email marketing? How can email marketing help your business? Shocking email marketing facts to consider. So let's begin with the first video in the training, where we are going to discuss the basic foundation of this training. What is email all about? Technology has taken such incredible leaps of advancements that it is easy to forget how it was not so many years ago. Even with the advent of smartphones, laptops, and wireless internet, we all tend to forget that the internet was designed to give us a different means of communication. Because when the internet was born, it was basically only used to send brief electronic messages between work colleagues in an enclosed facility. But you get the idea. Before that was possible, people who were apart by circumstances and distance could communicate with each other with written correspondence sent through postal offices. But physical mail has its obvious limitations. So one of the first things devised by internet pioneers was electronic mail, or email for short. So, what is email and how does it work? Email is simply written communication exchanged by two or more users across a digital network. More specifically, it is an electronic message that can contain text, images, and other types of attachments such as documents, and which is sent through a connected network to a person or a group of people. Email works by using a program that manages the data in a message and saves it to a server, from where the messages are sent and received as well. Most people nowadays, though, use online email services such as Outlook and Gmail, which allows them to design and send their emails the easiest way possible, without having to worry about server maintenance and other technically complicated stuff. What are the parts of an email? The address. An email address is the equivalent of the physical address where mail is sent. It starts with a username, which is followed by the @ symbol, which works as a divider between the username and the domain name, which goes at the end of the address. The to field. This is where the recipient address goes. The from field. This is where the sender address goes. The message body. This is where the actual message is written, and where the images and attachments are added. What are the advantages of email? It's free. It's instant no matter the distance. It can include text, images, video, music, links, and documents. It's environmentally friendly. Did you know the first email was sent in 1971 by Ray Tomlinson to himself as a test email? By 1996, more electronic than postal mail was being sent. Now that you have a better understanding of what email actually is, let's take a look at our topic at hand in the following video. See you there.